Today we'll talk about how can you enable events and permissions notifications on your Tappytoon app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here, you click here or more down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you click here on notifications here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to events and permissions here, you just click in this sign here. Like you see here, this color show for us as main events and promotions notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.